Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Aspidistra or cast iron plant. This is the Milky Way variety. It's a variegated with the spots on it, and so it adds a little bit of texture to the standard cast iron or Aspidistra plant. So it has a long spear-shaped leaf. This variety here stayed a little bit shorter. It's really filled out real nicely for me. This is a very low maintenance plant. The most maintenance that you have to do to this thing is just pull off the dead fronds. There's really no other maintenance that you have to do to it. You don't have to cut it back. It does really well in freezes. If it does freeze back to the ground, it's gonna come right back for you in the spring. There's very few bugs or insects that are gonna bother this guy. So it adds some nice texture to your landscape. It's very hardy, so it can tolerate drier conditions if you need to. It does prefer consistently moist, well-drained soils. But like I said, the only maintenance that you do is if you have unattractive leaves, you can just cut them off. That's really it for this guy. So just have fun with it. It can add some really nice color and texture to your landscape. So have fun in your landscape and try new things.